Welcome, welcome, welcome. Hello, I'm your host, Mrs. M. And if you haven't, make sure you click the link below. That way you can subscribe to my channel and not miss out on anything you need to scale your cleaning business to 6 figures and beyond. Pow! So in today's video, I'm going to talk about the 5 things that worked really well when it came to me actually finding commercial cleaning contracts. So the first thing was referrals. Referrals were really good when it comes to referring customers that you're currently working with that are so excited about your work, they're willing to refer you to someone else. The second thing that really worked well for me was passing out business cards off hours. Once the businesses were closed on the weekend, I did really well with that. When the person called, I knew they were ready for an actual walkthrough. So I would just fold up the business cards and slide them in the door, and the majority of the people that are opening the doors in the morning are business owners, are those decision makers. The third thing that worked well was networking, going to various networking events that were looking for cleaning companies or trade shows to learn who and what, and those are great because there are individuals that are out there that you can actually do networking with. The fourth thing that worked well was cold calling. I did a lot of cold calling, and like I said, I made about 200 phone calls, and I would get one walkthrough, and then I would make it my goal to do 4 walkthroughs. So that was like 1,000 calls a week. And the fifth thing was actually going out during the business hours, walking up to the businesses with a trinket, whether it be an ink pen or a mug. Actually walk in, ask them, could I get the information of the person that makes the decisions for the cleaning. I would not speak to them, but my goal was to get their information and follow up once I got back to the office. So I hope these 5 really work for you, but get started now. And if you want to learn more about attraction and acquisition and retention, then guess what? Come to my free masterclass where I talk about the 6 things that I did to actually scale my cleaning business to 6 figures and beyond, pow, within 12 months. Look forward to seeing you there. Click the link to register. Until next time, be safe. Bye-bye.